Want explosive business growth? You need the right hacks. It's not about magic tricks. It's about smart strategy. These are your secret weapons to outsmart the competition and win big. Get ready to level up your game. This is about hustle, passion, and outworking everyone else. Let's dive in. Storytelling is everything. It's how you connect with your audience on a human level. People buy from people they trust, people they connect with. Your story is what makes you relatable, memorable, and trustworthy. What's your unique journey? What are your values? What drives you? Share these things authentically. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, to show the human side of your brand. People crave authenticity. It builds trust and loyalty. Use storytelling in your marketing. Weave it into your website, copy, your social media posts, your email campaigns. Make people feel something when they interact with your brand. Emotions drive action. Connect with your audience on an emotional level, and they'll be more likely to convert. Remember, your story is your superpower. It sets you apart from the competition and makes you unforgettable. Own it, share it, and watch your brand soar. Want to win customers? Solve their problems. Sounds simple, right? But it all starts with understanding. Who are your ideal customers? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Don't guess, ask. Surveys are your secret weapon. Ask your audience what they want, what they need, what frustrates them. Then use this information to tailor your products, services, and marketing messages. This is how you create solutions that resonate. Go deeper. Analyze their online behavior. What are they searching for? What content do they engage with? Use this data to create targeted marketing campaigns that speak directly to their needs. The more relevant your message, the more likely it is to convert. Remember, it's not about you, it's about them. Focus on solving their problems, exceeding their expectations, and providing real value. Do this consistently, and you'll build a loyal customer base that will fuel your growth for years to come. Section 4, Marketing Magic. Play to human nature. Let's get psychological. Human beings are predictable. We respond to certain triggers. Understanding these triggers is like having a marketing cheat code. Use them ethically and effectively to influence buying decisions. First up, social proof. People follow the crowd. We're more likely to buy something if we see others doing the same. Showcase testimonials, reviews, and case studies. Let your happy customers do the selling for you. Next, scarcity. We want what we can't have. Create a sense of urgency or exclusivity around your offers. Limited time deals, limited quantities, and exclusive access can drive demand through the roof. Don't forget the power of freebies. Everyone loves a good deal. Offer free trials, free consultations, or valuable content upgrades. This builds trust, encourages engagement, and positions you as an authority in your niche. Finally, leverage the power of consistency. We're more likely to stick with brands we know and trust. Encourage repeat business with loyalty programs, subscription services, and consistent communication. Keep your brand top of mind and watch your customer lifetime value soar. Section 5, Data is king. Make it work for you. Data is your secret weapon. It tells you what's working, what's not, and where to focus your efforts. Embrace data-driven decision-making, and you'll unlock a whole new level of business growth. First, track everything. Website traffic, social media engagement, email open rates, conversion rates, you name it, track it. This data is gold. It reveals your audience's behavior and preferences. Next, analyze the data. Look for patterns, trends, and insights. What's resonating with your audience? What's falling flat? Use this information to refine your strategies and optimize your efforts. Don't be afraid to experiment. Test different headlines, images, calls to action, and marketing channels. See what works best for your target audience and double down on those strategies. Finally, repurpose your content. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Turn your blog posts into videos, your videos into social media snippets, your social media updates into email blasts. Repurposing content maximizes your reach and impact. Remember, data is your friend. Use it wisely, and you'll make smarter decisions. Optimize your marketing efforts and achieve explosive business growth. Pause. 3s. Chapter 6, implement and iterate. Pause. 2s. You've gathered the data, analyzed the insights, and identified the winning strategy. Now, it's time to put it all into action. Execution is key. Start by implementing the strategies and tactics that have proven successful. Pause. 2s. Remember, no plan is perfect from the get-go. Be prepared to iterate. Pause. 2s. Monitor your results closely. Pause. 1s. Are you seeing the desired outcome? If not, don't be discouraged. Refine your approach and adjust your tactics based on real-time feedback. Pause. 2s. It's a continuous cycle of improvement. Stay agile and responsive. Keep testing, tweaking, and optimizing. The most successful businesses are those that embrace this iterative process. They understand that growth is not a one-time event, but a journey of constant evolution. So, implement your strategies, learn from your outcomes, and iterate for continuous improvement. This approach will not only skyrocket your business growth, but also ensure long-term success. Remember, the road to success is paved with iterations. Stay committed, stay flexible, and keep pushing forward. Now, before you go, I've got something special for you. If you want to dive deeper into how to leverage AI in your digital marketing efforts, I've got a free ebook just for you. It's called The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. And it's packed with insights and strategies to help you dominate the digital space. Download it now at theultimateguidetoAIndigitalmarketing.com. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow your online business and brand. Thanks for your time. This is Shawn, and I hope you have a great day.